Good afternoon, friends. Now I will quickly explain the Patriot two-menu interface in our flagship monocular. We will quickly go over the most essential functions and settings so you can clearly understand how to use it. Everything here is intuitively clear. The main thing is to understand the logic of how it operates. The monocular itself features 3 buttons: the power button, the joystick, and a photo and video button. A short press on the button takes a photo, while a long press records a video. The battery charge indicator is intelligent, displaying the current charge level of the device. The most important feature that sets it apart from other monoculars. We have implemented the cat's eye feature to prevent glare when operating at night. The package includes both a standard eye cup and the cat's eye cup. Let me explain the interface and the main menu. From left to right, you can observe the following on the main screen. The first icon represents the video recording function. As you can see, it is blinking and the seconds are counting. Next, at the top, you can see GPS. For this monocular, latitude and longitude are displayed. 10x refers to the zoom level. You can adjust the zoom, and you will see a red icon on the screen. This is Wi-Fi. The crossed out SP indicates the image stabilization function. This means that when you move the monocular, the image remains stable and does not shake. It stays static. Next, the crossed out icon represents the rangefinder. You can activate it using the joystick. To the left, this is the manual rangefinder. Additionally, in the settings, you can enable it as artificial intelligence mode, meaning it detects and displays up to 7 targets in the latest firmware versions. Next is the battery charge indicator. Time 16.8, temperature in Celsius, A123. This is the altitude above sea level. A60 is the azimuth. It displays the direction, then the compass. In real time, if you move the joystick to the right, the palettes change. If you hold it for more than 3 seconds, you enter a special palette mode, meaning contour palettes. Another 3 seconds, and the palettes return to normal. To the left, if you press briefly, nothing happens. If you hold it down for a long time, the rangefinder is activated. Forward and backward is digital zoom. The center of the joystick triggers the shutter. Everything is very straightforward. A double press on the joystick takes you to the main menu. The first item is image settings. By moving the joystick to the side, you move into the subcategories: brightness, sensitivity, contrast, sharpness, menu brightness. The C menu allows you to hide or display the icons on the main screen. Thermal contour image mode. To exit, you need to move left to the first icon and then left again. Further down are the reticle options. The reticle itself, brightness, dot, type, color, and you can adjust this position. Reticles in monoculars are used simply for targeting an object to give you better orientation when performing certain tasks, but it cannot be used for weapon-related actions. It is not designed for that purpose. Next, Wi-Fi and files. Here you connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot and you can view photos and videos. Next are the device's own settings, such as picture-in-picture mode. These are hotkeys for activation, and SP stands for image stabilization. For the OLED display itself, these are the display settings, color selection and brightness, depth pixel removal, battery indicator, and joystick sensitivity adjustment. Next are the sensors, detectors, and the configuration of GPS, temperature, and orientation. Rangefinder. You select and the shutter either operates in automatic mode, updating the matrix automatically, or you can do it manually. Often this is set to auto, along with the settings for the update system itself. To update the device, you need to visit our website, check for the latest firmware for this monocular, select the model, download the file, and connect the monocular to your computer. UVC must be turned off. This parameter must be disabled. If it is enabled, UVC refers to the connection to a monitor or tablet for digital image transmission. If it is enabled, the flash drive will be blocked and you simply won't be able to access it on your computer. If it is disabled, if this function is turned off, the flash drive will appear and you will be able to save anything you want to it. Alternatively, you can retrieve videos or photos that you have captured with this device from it. You disconnect it, connect it to your computer, and save this file into the storage folder. Next, go to the update section and click yes, and it updates. Next, there is a reset for all settings, time, date, languages, and the lock function. Here, you can set a password for this monocular so that no one else can use it. And UVC is for connecting to an external monitor. That's basically it. Everything is very simple and straightforward. This monocular has gained recognition in Ukraine. This is the box it comes in. The package contents may include different pouches for different markets. This pouch is for Ukraine, and this pouch is for European and American markets. However, the contents inside are identical. In other words, this product is dual use. It can be freely sold on the civilian market. That's all.